What is new in software engineering? Welcome to our video on the latest developments in software engineering. In this video, we will explore the latest trends and advancements in software engineering that are shaping the future of the industry. Software engineering is a constantly evolving field with new technologies and methodologies emerging every year. In recent years, there have been several exciting developments that are changing the way software is developed, tested, and deployed. One of the most significant trends in software engineering is the rise of DevOps. DevOps is a software development methodology that emphasizes collaboration and communication between development and operations teams. By breaking down the silos between these teams, DevOps aims to improve the speed and quality of software development. Another trend in software engineering is the increasing use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are being used to automate software testing, improve software performance, and enhance user experience. Let's take a closer look at some of the key developments in software engineering. Firstly, there's the rise of microservices architecture. Microservices are small, independent services that work together to form a larger application. This approach allows for greater flexibility and scalability, as each service can be developed and deployed independently. Another development is the increasing use of containerization. Containers are lightweight, portable environments that can be used to package and deploy software applications. By using containers, developers can ensure that their applications run consistently across different environments. Cloud computing is also playing an increasingly important role in software engineering. Cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure provide developers with access to scalable computing resources, allowing them to build and deploy applications more quickly and efficiently. Finally, there is the growing importance of security in software engineering. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, developers are increasingly focused on building secure applications that can withstand attacks. In conclusion, software engineering is a dynamic and rapidly evolving field with new technologies and methodologies emerging all the time. By staying up to date with the latest developments, developers can build better, more secure, and more efficient software applications. What is new in software engineering? Welcome back to our video on the latest developments in software engineering. In this segment, we will explore some more key developments that are shaping the future of the industry. One of the most exciting developments in software engineering is the increasing use of low-code and no-code platforms. These platforms allow developers to build applications without writing code, using visual interfaces and drag-and-drop tools instead. This approach can significantly reduce development time and costs, and make software development more accessible to non-technical users. Another trend in software engineering is the growing importance of data analytics. With the rise of big data, developers are increasingly focused on building applications that can collect, process, and analyze large amounts of data. This requires a deep understanding of data analytics tools and techniques, as well as the ability to integrate these tools into software applications. In addition, there is the increasing use of agile methodologies in software engineering. Agile is a software development methodology that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. By breaking down development into small, iterative cycles, Agile allows developers to respond quickly to changing requirements and deliver software more quickly and efficiently. Finally, there is the growing importance of user experience in software engineering. With users demanding more intuitive and engaging software applications, developers are increasingly focused on building applications that are easy to use and visually appealing. This requires a deep understanding of user experience design principles and the ability to integrate these principles into software development processes. In conclusion, software engineering is a field that is constantly evolving, with new technologies and methodologies emerging all the time. By staying up to date with the latest developments, developers can build better, more efficient, and more user-friendly software applications.